Hey tubes, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today? I got an unboxing for you today. Basically, what did I order off of Amazon on Monday and it actually came today? You know, you have all those small hard drives, the 2.5 laptop drives laying around and stuff, and I'm trying to figure out what to do with them and how I'm going to actually use them. But here is something that's in this mystery box. Can anybody guess what's in this box before we unbox it and show everybody? But yeah, it was a freaking amazing item I got off of Amazon, and it wasn't too expensive. It was also 100% affordable. But time to unbox it, should I say. Let's have some fun and see what we got. Hey Chris, what's sitting on top of this box? Of course, it's a mechanical digital hard drive, a 160 gigabyte drive, and plus it's a very old one. This one's a little flaky somewhat. It's also from 2008. But you can kind of see it's also a SATA style drive, and that's pretty nice. Of course, basically I have this thing kicking around and it's like, what can I use this for? Alright, time to put that bad boy off to the side, and time to bring out the big knife, should I say. Time to open this box. See what we got. That's knife for stall snikes. Alright then. Before we look, and anybody guess what's in this package? Of course, a bunch of air pockets. Sound like a gun. No IDs in there to keep your packaging safe. Ooh, awesome. New technology kind of stuff going on here, tubes. Alright then, here is basically the wonderful, awesome package. The hard drive enclosure comes in. Basically, here is the actual name of the company who makes and sells all these different systems. Of course, if you're curious, it is for 2.5 SATA drives external. Let's dig in and see what we get. Ooh, wow. That's cool. Look at this, dudes. Look how well everything is packaged. That's awesome. Let's see what we got over here. We have some type of a USB connector. Looks like a C or some sort. Don't know what that is yet, but we'll figure that out later. And we have a USB 3. That's the normal cable. Up and down there, I should say. And I think this must be the power brick. And yes, it is. With all the different accessories. Put that right off the side. And let's bring out the main beast. And we'll set this box off to the side here. Ooh, this is nice. Oh wow, that's heavy. Look at that, tubes. Looking amazing. Oh, that's so cool. Everything that came in the actual box itself, except for the mechanical hard drive that's just sitting there for looks, basically. But we got the power brick. We got two different types of cables here. one is your standard USB 3 cable, and the newest one is this USB-C. I think that's what that is. I don't have anything on my computers that has that yet. Of course, here is the main housing, of course, your Allen keys and screws, and instructions. But let's go ahead and just move these cables out the way. I want to look at this power adapter book here. And I'm kind of confused on half of these adapters things here. Do anybody know what that is? I have no idea what type of adapter this thing is. That's kind of interesting to me. Well, what about this one? I have no idea. These are not the USA kind, but I don't know what these are. And basically here is this one. Again, I don't know any of these type of adapters. The only adapter I know is the USA kind. But yeah, that's kind of interesting. That's very nice. They actually included 3 of these Allen adapters, but I don't know what they are. But very interesting. But there's the unboxing of the whole tile unit itself. All my fans, let me explain on why I buy one single case, but it can hold 2 SSDs and also 2 hard drives. You have to decide on what hard drives and also what SSDs to put in your cases. But let me explain one thing. I don't like single cases because one, they take up a lot of space in my drawers, and basically I have 4 of these cases. Now I'm going to explain this one here. This one is a 320 original digital drive right here in this single aluminum case. You can see here's all the different ports. Has the LED, SATA, USB 2, and 5-volt power. Now, on this one, the black one, you can see this is a original digital 1 terabyte drive, and this is also USB 3, and it also has the LED light. But this is why I bought this case, is to utilize 2 different types of drives in this unit. Mechanical drives and solid state drives in the system. Okay, this here is basically the make and model if you want to look it up. Like that. Let's go to the box. Very nice. And this takes a lot of the clutter away in my drawers. Now, of course, this is also powered by external power. It's not powered by USB. But that's okay. That's normal. That's basically anything you buy. Like this case here can also be powered by external power as well. But instead of carrying so many of these around, I can just carry one single hard drive case with 2 hard drives or 2 SSDs in this unit, basically. But you have to decide on what hard drives and SSDs and capacities you want to put in this case. Alright, if you guys and girls are also joining this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Alright, have a nice day, and thank you so much for watching today's awesome video.